Actifed Cold and Allergy contains a combination of chlorpheniramine and phenylephrine. Chlorpheniramine is an antihistamine that reduces the natural chemical histamine in the body. Histamine can produce symptoms of sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and runny nose. Phenylephrine is a decongestant that shrinks blood vessels in the nasal passages. Dilated blood vessels can cause nasal congestion, stuffy nose. Indications. Actifed Cold and Allergy is used to treat symptoms of common cold or seasonal allergies, including sneezing, runny or stuffy nose, and itchy, watery eyes. How to use. Adults and children over 12 years. 1 tablet every 4 to 6 hours, up to 4 times a day. Leave at least 4 hours between doses. Don't take more than 4 doses in 24 hours. If symptoms persist, talk to a doctor. Contraindications of Actifed tablet. If you are allergic to piperolidine, pseudoephedrine, or any other ingredients of Actifed tablet. If you are suffering from a heart condition. If you have diabetes or an overactive thyroid gland. If you have glaucoma. If you have pheochromocytoma, a rare tumor. If you have high blood pressure and are taking medicines for the same. If you are on medications to treat your mental health or asthma. Precautions. Actifed Cold and Allergy can cause side effects that may impair your thinking or reactions. Be careful if you dry or do anything that requires you to be awake and alert. If you're drinking alcohol, it can increase some of the side effects of Actifed Cold and Allergy. If you're using other medicines that make you sleepy, such as cold medicine, pain medication, muscle relaxers, and medicine for seizures, depression, or anxiety, they can lead to sleepiness caused by chlorpheniramine. If you're using other medicines that make cause restlessness, such as caffeine, stimulants, diet pills, and decongestant containing in over-the-counter cold medicines, they can lead to the stimulant effects of phenylephrine. Actifed Cold and Allergy side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have any of the signs of an allergic reaction to Actifed Cold and Allergy tablets, hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Stop using Actifed Cold and Allergy tablets and call a doctor at once if you have any of these serious side effects. Faster or uneven heartbeats, feeling lightheaded, fainting, seizures, convulsions, hallucinations, seeing things that are not there, or tremors. Less serious Actifed Cold and Allergy side effects may include heartburn, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, dry nose or mouth, drowsiness, dizziness, weakness, headache, dry eyes, blurred vision, painful or difficult urination, sleep problems, insomnia, feeling nervous or excited, especially in children,